is up? What's happening? How are you doing, my blessed and wonderful community? Crypto Bliss here today with Kiara, and I'm so excited to be here with you guys every day in every single wonderful way. So let's get cracking on this video because I have some cool information that I'd love to sit and share with you here today. I did point out on my video yesterday that we would go through a little bit of a moment. So I'm going to share that little moment with you in a second, but just give me a little moment here. Alrighty, so yeah guys, as you know, you can click that bybit link down below and get yourself up to a $30,000 deposit bonus when you sign up using my link down below. So please ensure and make sure that you are doing and getting yourself into these wonderful trades that are busy happening. Bitcoin pumped 35% in 4 days. That's insane. If you took a 10% leverage trade with that, using my link down below, you would have made 350% in 4 days. No bank is ever going to pay you that in your entire lifetime, and you just did it in 4 days. So well done and congratulations to you if you actually took those trades. I personally didn't, unfortunately, because I was extremely busy in my personal business, but that is called FOMO, when I run in and I just jump into the market and then lose the trade. And that's what you should not be doing as a trader, especially as a professional trader. You should really look to wait, just be patient. The market is going to return. It's going to do whatever it needs to do. And we're going to talk about that exact thing in this video right here, right now. So if you have not yet smashed that thumbs up button for me, please do so. In the meantime, I would really appreciate that. And of course, smash that notification bell for me, or actually that notification bell is for you so that you get notified when I do videos just like this to make you know exactly when there are specific trades that are awesome. So today we are above, and I spoke about that $1 trillion market cap valuation, and I continue to speak about that $1 trillion market cap valuation. And we have currently we're now 2.2% up for the day. We're up at $1.142 trillion. And there was 132 billion in trading volume. The BTC market cap dominance has gone up. BTC is down a little bit for the day, but up 12.2% for the past 7 days. That's very interesting because I calculated a 35% move, and I'll go and show you that again. And then Ethereum is at 1673. Ethereum even touched 1700, guys. That's amazing. BNB is at 306. Tether is stable again. The USD coin is pegged again, so it's stable. XRP is at 36 cents. Cardano at 33 cents. Polygon at $1.17. Dogecoin at 7.2 cents. Even the Binance peg is stable again. And then Solana is at $20.34, Polkadot at $6.14, Litecoin at $80.77, Avalanche at $16.71, Uni at $16.16 as well, and then Chainlink at $6.78. So the market has been pumping like absolute crazy, and we are here to make some money together in the market. Dollar cost average when the market is down, but as you can see, aehUX has been pumping and thumping. We're up 27.4% on aehUX, and we are in the green for most of these coins. We are not in the green for all of these coins, but those are the coins that you should be buying when they're in the red. So Fear and Greed Index is still neutral at 50 today. Yesterday was up at 56, way into the greed here. So very interesting, especially because it was neutral last week, and then we had a day where it was almost, I think at 40. Yeah, I think it was at 40 or 42. The other day. So that's pretty interesting, guys. Let's go and have a look at the dollar and see what the dollar's doing first. So the dollar's been pumping up for the day. I did say to you on my previous video that the dollar would be bouncing in between the 50 EMA and the 14 EMA over here, and that's what that would look like. I even said that there is a potential for us to bounce up to the 200. So essentially we could bounce up here, hit the 200 and be rejected yet again, which would essentially bring us back down into here at that point, which I would then say to you that we might then create a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder, which essentially would give us a huge target of the dollar. And I'm probably the first person to speak about this head and shoulders pattern on the day. At the moment, I don't want to claim because we're all doing things. So that's the first shoulder, this is the head. And then if we bounce up, fall back down, and then create another shoulder here and meet that resistance again, because we've got a heavy resistance at the downward slope, plus the 200 would mean that the dollar would then come back down. But we are expecting rate hikes, a definite and a very much closer increase to rate hikes next week. So yeah, if that is the instance, then we might see this dollar pump up a little bit, and we could look for that kind of space here. But as you can see, there's huge downward sloping resistance. So if we break out of this apex at that point and we push up, then we might come back to the green line at the very most, which brings us back above the 200, which is quite dangerous for Bitcoin and crypto. But like I said to you guys in my video, so let's go and watch my video. Actually, before we do that, because I did say to you guys that with my signals that I have, plus everything that I draw, plus my experience in trading, I can share with you guys exact moments of resistance. And what did I say to you guys yesterday over here? Let's go and have a look, and let's go and listen to that. 32,000, possibly even the 35,000 level, and that's precisely what we're heading for right now. So you can see that on the higher time frame trends here, essentially. Okay, so there is way crazy resistance here. Just give me a second. There is crazy. Why is it doing that? Crazy resistance here, and there's crazy resistance here. Okay, and there's crazy resistance here. So, and then of course, with the up to the green line, if it does reach that, there is resistance there, there's resistance there, and there's resistance there, and there, and there, and of course at the top there. So, ahead of us, we have a very cool journey. We've officially broken back up above the 50 and the 200 EMA, and that is telling us we are looking bullish. But I'm going to say to you right now, proceed with caution, okay? Because we have already extended ourselves from the bottom here, which was a buy signal, to the top. We have already pumped 35% in 4 days with Bitcoin. 35%. You couldn't get that return on any bank, especially banks that are collapsing and essentially just stealing your money. Okay, I'm going to put my money in Bitcoin. I hope you're going to do the same thing. And if you want to do that, you know my bybit link down below. I'll see you guys there on the other side. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification.
So interesting to watch yourself on a video, hey? So please like and subscribe the video. And like I said to you, that we would meet resistance at this level here. If we broke a,
we would have pushed up a little bit to the purple box, and we probably would have been rejected. But like I said to you guys in the video, we were going to hit resistance here. We would get a sell signal, and look what happened. We got a sell signal, and honestly, guys, I'm going to say to you that I think it can come down a little bit more. I did say that we would, at the very minimum, come back down to the pink line here, which was the halfway point in the channel, and that we would probably look at a bit of a reversal pattern from there. So if this holds as support, that'll be a very good entry for a buy, because the likelihood of us breaking through here will be very high because of the continuation of the momentum and the pattern and the volume, especially down here, because this volume engulfed literally all other volume that has been down here at this level, other than this volume here, which was actually buy volume. So you know, there's very good indications to us to go up, but with the dollar pushing up, it's of course natural that these assets come down. If we break this point, I say that we come back down to the 200 moving average, which is the blue line on the 4 hour. This would be my point, which would be the bottom of the channel. And I'd say that because generally when there's a pump or a dump, the retracement is generally between 50 and 75% of the move. So if we are to move 75 at the maximum of the move back down, so that was a 26%. So if we were to move about 75%, it would probably bring us to about this level, which is essentially back down to 22,800 level, which it kind of coincides with this, the bottom of the channel here, okay, and support there, etc. So we're looking very good here. If we do hold at the very least this support and we return up, then I do believe we'll be earning some good momentum to break up. But as you can see, because there was so much resistance from this level here, we're already down below this level. And this is another indicator for me, this line here, this moving average here, that if we're below it, that we generally tend to come down. Okay, you can see here we generally tend to come down when we're below it, and when we're above it, it will generally move up. So we're below it now, we're pushing below it, so I think that there will be a bit of a cascading effect right now. I'm hearing some rumors about other banks potentially collapsing because of interest rate hikes, and who knows what's going to happen. Only those people who are in control of the markets actually know what's going to happen. So the point is to keep your emotions out the market, and the charts will give you all the answers you need. And AI gives you indicators that are going to help you if you don't know what you're doing. So as you can see, buy, boom, make a trade, sell, if you want to make a trade, make a trade. I don't generally sell on Bitcoin. It's not my favorite thing to do, but if I do find an opportunity, I will do it because you can see resistance levels. But it's very, very phenomenal to know that you can do a trade up or down in the market, and that is exactly what we should be looking out for. So if you enjoyed this content, this video, thanks for watching with me today on this channel. I really appreciate you, blessed and beautiful souls. Thank you. We'll see you on the next video. Take care and have a beautiful day ahead. Mwah.